All right, nice to have some warm weather around here for the last several days, right through the Labor Day weekend, kind of the unofficial blowout of summer. So, good reminder that summer's not quite over yet. 80 degrees out there today, average for this time of year, 77, early morning lows. It's right around average, but cool, down into the mid 40s for us here in Flagstaff. Also on the almanac, I switched it over to the calendar year for the precipitation, 12.84, just about an inch and a half below average. We were looking at the water year, which was September 1 to August 31st. So it doesn't show a lot right now. It'd just be zeros across the board. When we get more into some rain, we'll switch it back over to the water year. Sunrise now, moving out of the 5 o'clock hour into the 6 o'clock hour, getting a bit later by a minute or two per day. Sunset this evening will be at 6:52. Warm one statewide. It was 109 in Phoenix. Payson, 90 degrees. Winslow, 95. Sedona, you were 91. Prescott, 88 degrees. It was 98 up in Page. Okay, we switch it out to the Pacific satellite. Really quiet across the entire western United States. Monsoon moisture down here, the westerly storm track way up in the Pacific Northwest. Over the next couple days, we're going to actually see a little bit of a high pressure start to draw in some of this monsoon moisture, and we're going to see the westerly storm track pick up a little bit too. And it looks like all in all what's going to happen is moisture is going to increase, and we could see some interactions with some more westerly type storms. It looks like we're going to see a return to monsoon type weather, I think beginning around Thursday, low grade type monsoon, just isolated to scattered thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and maybe a little bit more active as we go into the weekend, and maybe really active as we get late in the weekend is the way it's looking. Temperature outside right now 75, sunny skies here in Flagstaff, a little breezy out of southwest at 10 miles per hour. Overnight tonight will be clear, cool once again, forecasting right around average 47 degrees. Tomorrow mostly sunny. We'll call it very similar day to what we saw out there today, maybe a little bit more in the way of some cumulus clouds as the moisture slowly starts to creep into the state. 90 in Payson for Wednesday, 94 Winslow, 93 Sedona, maybe a few thunderstorms way down in southeastern Arizona. I think as we get into Thursday, though, it spreads up onto the rim. Okay, here's a look at the extended forecast for us. Start to bring down temperatures as we introduce the chance of thunderstorms right in through the rest of the week. When we get into Thursday, best chances for some rain around here, I think, as we get into the weekend. And for you down in Sedona, temperatures in the low 90s. And I think we start to introduce that chance of thunderstorms here as we get into the late portion of the week.